Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we are going to unbox my Boxycharm. So I'm super excited to see what I got. I haven't been really looking at any spoilers much or anything, so we'll have to see what I got in my Boxycharm. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, let me pop this open. We do have a card this time. And it's Boxycharm Glam Vibes Only. And I have number 6 variation. Alright, first thing I'm pulling out is a coconut coffee scrub by Frank Body. It's just a body coffee scrub. And let me read about it. Vacation glowing skin, right this way, babe. I'm a natural vegan body scrub here to give you vacation glowy skin all year round. With a blend of coffee and essential oils, I'll work my magic on stretch marks, scars, and dry skin to leave you as free as a palm tree. Exfoliate, smooths, and tones for real and imaginary vacations made with roasted coffee grinds, grapeseed oil, and jojoba beads. And it retails for $18.94. Alright, not too bad. I haven't really I've gotten a coffee scrub in Ipsy, but I haven't used it yet. So I'll have to try this out and see what I think about it. But it sounds really good. If it does what the claims say, then I'll be real excited about it. Alright, next is the Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial. Instantly exfoliates and illuminates with PHAs and Nordic birch sap. Wow. Let me open it up. And that's what the bottle looks like. And it's just got a pump, so let me read about it real quick. Get flawless skin in a flash with PHAs, the no downtime exfoliating acid, and key ingredients in Ole's first one-step at-home facial. What makes PHAs so special? They're fat, literally like AHAs. PHAs deliver skin perfecting, age fighting results, but PHAs are just a little plumper. They're a bigger molecule, so they don't go as deep as they loosen up the glue that binds the surface layer of skin together and reveal the newer, fresher skin underneath. That means less irritation and recovery time for everyone, even sensitive types. Okay. Wonder what you got. So it says to apply an even layer to skin, dry face. Massage until it transforms from pink to white. Leave on for 15 minutes. Remove with a damp washcloth. Use 2 times per week, day or night. Can be used before makeup application. For external use only. Use as directed. Do not use on eye or lip area. That sounds really good. I'm going to have to try this out. I'm really excited about this. Alright, next is the Saturday Skin 10% Glycolic Pore Clarifying Toner. Okay, cool. Let's read about it. Well, let me show it to you first. That's the box. And then that's what it looks like. Alright, so let me read about it real quick. Saturday Skin Pore Clarifying Toner. This pore clarifying toner helps to smooth and refine your skin's appearance with an effective dose of 10% glycolic acid. The Pore Control Complex targets pore concerns with a blend of ingredients that help improve the look of balanced, clear skin. It retails for $30. Oh, I didn't say how much. The Ole Hendrickson retailed for $50. So I figured it'd be decently up there. But yeah, $30 for the Saturday Skin. That's not too bad. I think I use the Pixie Glow Tonic that has 5% glycolic acid. How much does this have? 10%, so it's got a little bit more. That would be good to kind of my step up for it. But I think I paid like $27 for a bottle this size. So it's a little bit bigger, but I love this stuff. I use it every time I cleanse my face. I use it to kind of exfoliate my skin, and it just looks so beautiful after it's done. So I'm super excited. I'm going to use this after I'm done with that, and actually I might go ahead and start trying it out. I don't know, we'll see, but I'm super excited to have that. Next thing is the Kitsch Cleanse Ritual Ice Roller for your overworked sensitive skin. Huh. Let me see if I can open this. Alright. That's what it looks like. So just a stainless steel face roller, and it's an ice roller is what it says. This ice roller is your new at-home facial made with high-quality surgical stainless steel. It helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use for the best results. So let's see what it says on the box. Thoroughly cleanse and dry skin. Remove ice roller from freezer and allow to sit for a few minutes. For additional benefits, apply your favorite serum or sheet mask. And then it tells you how to roll it on everywhere. So, alright. I don't know how much I'll use it because I forget to use stuff like that, but it's pretty cool to have. I'll have to try it out if I can remember to try it out. That's the only thing, is I have another roller. It sits right here. It sits right here, and I always forget to use it. So we'll have to see how much I use it. All right. Next thing is Milk Makeup Lit. What is it? Highlighter Illuminator. Let me see if I can open this up. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Alright, I rolled it on my hand. You can see it a little bit. But that's what it looks like. It's really pretty. Not too bad. Pretty excited about that. This is the first time I've ever tried Milk makeup. I don't have any other, well no, take that back. I have the cheek thing that I got in Boxycharm before, so this is the second time that I've used Milk makeup, so I'll have to try that out. I'm not a big cream person. I just prefer powders for some reason. I think it's easier than trying to blend out creams on your face. But because some of them I have issues, like the Super Shock blushes. I have issues trying to get them on. I normally just have to use my finger. So I don't use them all the time, but I'm real excited to get this and try this out, and maybe it'll change my mind. Maybe it'll turn me into a cream person. We'll have to see. Alright, so next we have the Queen Eloise palette. Let me open this up and show you the inside. It says a queen lies in all of us. And there you go, that's the inside. Alright, let me read. I didn't read about the milk makeup. Let me read about the milk makeup and then we'll read about this. A dewy everyday champagne pearl hued cream highlighter stick that glides on for a natural glow, and it retails for $28. The Kitsch roller, I don't know if I read about that one either, but it retails for $18. And the Eloise Beauty, the Queen eyeshadow palette, says the Queen palette possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Our highly pigmented colors, which are suitable for all ranges of skin tones, are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power. A queen lies in all of us, and it retails for $46. So that is the last product in my box. This is the premium. I don't know if I said that before, but I think this is the premium. But this palette is beautiful. I love these purples. Oh, this throne color right here, that blue. See if it'll focus. There we go. That blue purple is just gorgeous. Like, this palette is really, really pretty. I'll have to maybe do a video using this palette sometime. We'll have to see, but that blue just jumps out at me. It's so beautiful. And this blue down here too. This Sovereign shade down here, that's beautiful as well. So, alright, so that is what I got in my Boxycharm Premium. Let me see, let me add up everything. So it retails for $190.95. You can see that. So yeah, I can't remember what the premium, what they say it is, but I mean, that's pretty good for what, $35, getting $190 worth of stuff. That's not too bad. So I'm pretty excited about what I got. I'm pretty excited to try everything and see what I like, what I don't like, what's going to go into my routine. So we'll have to see. I can see the Sunday Riley definitely, and the eyeshadow palette, but just this is remembering to use it. That's the issue. And then that's the same with this, and then the creams, I don't know. So I'll just have to see how this goes into my routine, but I'm pretty excited about what I got. Now we're just waiting on my regular Boxycharm to come. I don't know if it's shipped yet or not. I'll have to look at that. And then I got rid of my Ipsy, the base Ipsy, the regular bag, but I am getting the plus. Since they changed things, I want to try it. And so far from what I see on the app, it seems like it's going to be a good bag. But I'm also getting 2 cream bronzers in there, I think. So I'll have to, maybe that might change my mind on creams too. I might have a full cream situation going on that I'm going to enjoy. So we'll see how that goes, but I'm going to unbox that whenever I get it, and the base box is coming too. So look for those videos. They'll be coming up soon. But if you like this video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also, make sure you ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that will be all for me, and I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.